Today we're at the climbing gym learning about body tension. Body tension is what's going to take advantage of all of our body's limits and put more weight in our feet, legs, and hips, helping us make harder climbs so much easier. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use body tension, as well as stay to the end because I'm going to go through 3 common errors that beginners make, myself included. Hi, I'm Sarah from SendEdition.com. If you're new to climbing, maybe climbing up to a V5, click subscribe. I'm making videos like this just for you. Body tension has changed my climbing. You know how there's like light bulb moments? Maybe you had this with flagging. Well, if you liked flagging, buckle up because this technique has changed my climbing so much, and it's gonna do the same thing for you. So first off, let's talk about what body tension is. And to do that, I'm going to share with you this cute towel, has flamingos on it. This is your body, okay? See how it has 4 legs, maybe your hands and your feet, 4 corners. If you take one corner, the other corners, and you move it, the other corners move around freely. But if you twist the towel like this, and you move that corner to a new space, it doesn't move freely, it's quite stiff actually. We're gonna do the same thing to your body as we did to this towel, and we're gonna wring you out to create stability that will help you make really hard moves. First off, let's look at this route that I found at the climbing gym that is really perfect for practicing body tension. Here's what most climbers would try and do if they're not using body tension. And here's what that route can look like if you are using body tension. Do you see how significantly easier this route is when you're using body tension technique? You've probably already taken notes of significant differences between the two, but I'm going to walk you through step by step what you need to do to take advantage of body tension. Now, first thing when it comes to body tension, your base is super important in being able to achieve that tension. A huge part of it is being able to pivot your foot on footholds. So obviously putting your toes on. If your feet aren't able to twist, then that's what you need to do right now, is go find some jugs and practice twisting your feet. Because without that foundation, you're not going to be able to use this technique. Once you have your feet in a good stable position that you can twist, you're going to twist your hip the same side as the arm that you want to move. So in this first body tension movement, you can see that I'm holding on with my right hand and I need to move my left hand, which means that you need to move your left hip into the wall. What this does is while your right hand is holding on, the left hip puts into the wall and it creates this tension so that your body can't move because your body is pinned against the wall on the left side and your right hand is pulling in the right side of your body. So your arm is able to freely move, take your hand off and move it to the next handhold without any other movement in your body. And this makes that move significantly easier. Before we go any further, I want to invite you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. It takes a lot of work and effort to create content like this, so I want to make sure that it's bringing value to you, and that thumbs up and subscribe are indicators that it is valuable to you. So please do so if you are enjoying this video thus far. Just a quick overview if you missed that, because I'm trying to do this as simply as possible. Place your feet. Twist your hip into the wall, into the side that you want your arm to move, and then you can move your arm. Now, some things that you may not notice until you get much more practice at this is the placement of your feet is actually a really big deal. So make sure that if you are moving your left hip in, that your left foot is as in line with the right handhold as possible. That's going to create the most easy way of using that body tension as possible. If you have your left foot out too far, then this is going to be a really difficult movement. Also, if you have maybe your right foot is down instead of up or level, then you may find that your right side, even though your hand is pulling in, your right foot might be falling off. So try and create as stable a position as you can with those feet. Once you have that stability in your feet, then you're going to be able to do the twisting motion you need to take advantage of body tension technique in climbing. Now that we have a basic overview of what body tension is and what it can do for you, let's talk about the 3 common errors that beginner climbers, just like me, made when first learning body tension. Now, the first error that I saw was when climbers were trying to get into the twisted motion before they planted their foot. So they'd recognize, okay, I need to get my left hip over there, so let's just turn my foot to be on the left side. And the problem with this is, one, you likely won't have the positioning to get your feet into that twisted position because of your body weight balance when you're placing your foot. So make sure you place your foot and then twist. Place foot, then twist. Error number 2 is twisting your hips the wrong way. And boy, until you get practice at this, it is definitely going to be an issue. Even after I had that aha click moment, I tried to repeat it and found myself twisting and trying to figure out how to get that movement. I kept on twisting the wrong way. I know a lot of times we use our hips to get more distance, and in those situations, if you want to use your right hand, you place your right hip into it so that you can reach further. With body tension, we're doing the opposite. So remember, if you want to move your left hand, put your left hip into the wall. Error number 3 is foot placement. Now, I've already mentioned how important your foot placement is, and so me putting this as the number 3 error should really drive in the fact that your foot placement is going to make or break being able to use body tension. If you don't have your feet in the right place, your body's not going to have that strength to really wind you up. There is how to use body tension, and honestly, body tension has changed my climbing. I feel so much more comfortable, and this route that used to take a lot of effort and energy for me to do, I can do it over and over and over again without an issue. And it's not because I magically got stronger, it's because I'm able to use body tension and my base to my advantage. Thanks so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. A thumbs up and subscribe. Tell me that you like these kind of videos so I can make more videos like it just for you. Thanks again for watching, and enjoy climbing with body tension.